What is up, you guys? It
Hey
is
y'all,
Parker
I think
here
we're
with
live.
Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down
So
below,
they're all
and at the
pumpkins.
very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, I am just killing Etsy orders this morning. Y'all, so we're gonna batch our pumpkins out and just try to knock them out. We need our pumpkin sprays. Y'all, black and white has been a huge seller for me this year for fall. So if you don't have anything black and white in your shop, you might want to get something. Y'all, let's spread our picks out. Y'all, let's make our bows first. We are gonna need two 1.5-inch ribbons, not two, one 2.5, one 1.5, and we're gonna need a little bit of raffia. All right, y'all, we're gonna make about a 10-inch tail. Let's do about a 6-inch loop. Y'all, now we're gonna take our 1.5-inch and go the opposite direction. Another 6-inch tail at the top. Another 6-inch tail over here. All right, y'all, now this is where we add our raffia. Y'all, whenever you pick your raffia, you want to make sure that the raffia is kind of loose and not too stiff. We're going to add that right in here. Y'all, it's just to give our bow a little bit of texture. I'm actually going to do my yellow again. In the opposite direction so that I get a tail on each side. We need to add a little bit more raffia. All right, we're gonna take our pipe cleaner, fold it in half. Twist it off. I think it's fabric on the pumpkins. I bought them already made, y'all. All right, so there's one. We'll start by adding a bow. So I'm just going to attach the bow right here around the stem. Pull it in nice and tight and wrap that pipe cleaner right around there. Y'all, now we're gonna take this stem and we're gonna insert it below our bow. We're gonna get that pumpkin to line up with the center of our bow. Then we're gonna hold that stem and we're gonna bend this part down with the base. Gonna zip tie it right in place. Y'all, that zip tie is all we're gonna need to hold that right where it's supposed to go. Okay, but now, y'all, it's sticking up like crazy, right? So we need to bend that stem down in the front. All right, so now we have all these tails everywhere that we need to trim up. Y'all, now I'm gonna take just a little bit of these stems. So I'm gonna take one stem off of each one. All right, see how these leaves all move? We're gonna push all of them towards the bottom. And then work these right in here as well. Y'all, all I'm doing is bringing those stems around the back, and I'm just going to zip tie them right back here. All right, so the feather doesn't have a good place for me to zip tie it, so I'm just gonna use some hot glue. Gotta hold that for a second. All right, let's get this one done. Y'all, I'm gonna get these over to the shipping department and get them shipped out. Bye, y'all.